Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the Layer Properties Manager right away. Type Layer or click the Layer panel icon. Once done, make sure the drawing is not locked and Object Selection is on so you can change layers without interruption. Identify the exact layer name you want to use, confirm its color and line type, and check whether it is on and thawed. These prerequisites avoid surprises when you switch layers. Now you're ready for the actionable change step. You set the target layer current by right-clicking it in Layer Properties and choosing Set Current. This makes new geometry draw on that layer. If moving existing objects, select them and pick the layer from the Properties palette, or use the Change Object Layer command. For many objects, use Match Prop to copy layer properties or use the Change command with the Layer option. This is faster for batches. Make sure selection filters are off, so finalize by verifying that the objects now display correctly on the new layer. Toggle Layer Isolate, check visual styles, and confirm plot visibility to ensure no surprises at print time. If an object refuses to change, make sure it isn't on a locked or frozen layer, and that it's not part of an XREF or block with overriding properties. When display issues persist, run Region and Purge to clear caches. This often fixes stale layer states and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.